Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Yeedi S14 Plus. This product's linked in the description, so be sure to check it out. So this is different from a full-fledged factory reset. This is just a simple power cycle. We're turning it on and back off. So we got to remove the cover, and right here we have our red switch. The red circle, that's going to be in the off position, and then the solid white line, that's going to be in the on position. So to restart it, just simply toggle it off. You can wait a minute or two if you want. And then when you feel like it's been enough time, if you want, go ahead and turn it back on. But it can be rather quickly, just a couple of seconds to power cycle everything. But that's it. Simple and straightforward to restart the Yeedi S14 Plus.